So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of space in the back as well. It's all been ply lined. We have a sliding side door there and also full metal bulkhead, as you can see. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and beneath that, it will show you what gear this van is in. We are in park at the moment. Above that, we have the trip computer. You can change the information displayed there by pressing a button on the steering wheel for various different bits of info, including a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. We back out to the steering wheel. The buttons I was using a second ago on the right-hand side just here. We have phone and stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left along with cruise control. Hit that button just there for cruise control. We've also got speed limiter as well. Over in the center, we then have the main screen for the car. So this is where you can access your phone. So hit add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Follow the instructions on screen from there. You can see our audio options as well. We have AM, FM and DAB radio as well as Bluetooth audio. There are also two separate USB inputs that you can plug devices into. One just here with a 12-volt charging socket next to it, and the other right in front of the steering wheel, again with a 12-volt charging socket next to it as well. We then have the main volume for the stereo. Working our way down, if I move the gear lever out of the way, you can see we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed on the left, temperature over on the right hand side. The direction of the air can be decided here and then distributed to your feet, your face, your windscreen, or any one of those three individually. Hitting that button will turn your air conditioning on. Same button again to turn it off, of course. We have heated mirrors, heated front screen, heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat. Both of those have 3 different heat settings on each. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The button on the side here will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.